Making a character blink can give life to an animation, and, in this video I'll show how simple it is to do in PowerPoint. First, we'll draw a circle, a little bit larger than one of the elephant's eyes. We'll give it the same color as the elephant, using the eyedropper function. And remove the outline. Let's move the circle over here. And zoom in. Now, we're going to draw the eyelid. We use the arc function here. And adjust the arc to look like a closed eyelid. Like this. I am going to give the eyelid a white color. And then, I'll group it as one object. Now, let's zoom out again and place this closed eye object over the open eye. We're now ready to animate the blink. So, we choose Animation, and select Appear. And after that, we choose Add Animation, and Disappear. In the animation pane here, we make sure that the second animation happens after the first one. And we add a little bit of delay, such that we can see the eye close for half a second. And that's all. Let's have a look at our animation.